Alright folks, there it is. Chili head quad eggs. We'll do our Saturday night fun with hot sauce. And I'm going to do an unboxing. I'll tell you about that in a few. So we're going to try the AfricanDream bird's eye chili. Made with the bird's eye pepper. It's supposed to be pretty hot. They give us a 7 out of 10 on their heat scale. Again, one of those, writing so small. I love this flavor of the soup. Pretty cool. There's that perforation. Let's see. Try this and try to do an unboxing. Talk about that too. Let's see. What do we got? I may regret this. Wow, very tomatoey smelling. A lot of seeds and such, I don't know how well you see that. I don't know if it picks up. See what happens. Really good flavor. Tingling in the back of the throat. Not bad. I mean, it's good, but I mean, it's spicy, but not near as hot as I thought it would be. That'd be really good. Add a little teaspoon or two of this to some soups. Make it really good. And if I outsmart the lid, there we go. Hey, watch this. This idiot kid close the lid. Seriously, I can't close the lid. There it is. There we go. Damn. Unboxing. So Hygger finally sent me the light. This is the light I wanted to review. I'm just going to unbox it, check it out. We'll do the actual review. I do the rescape of the 20 over there. Shooting for next Wednesday. We'll see what happens. Right now I'm listening to the storm outside. Right now I'm just curious what the light looks like. Oh, nice white spectrum, nice. Okay. Instructions. Wow, it's really wide. I'm impressed. I have to expect something narrow. Let's see what we got here. Let's have a look see. That's good construction. Pretty light. I love the embossed wood grain. Pretty cool. And let's see what we got here. Okay, we got timer. We got 24/7 timer. Dimmer. Oh, that's right. This has a 24/7 when you set it to like start coming on. It's like 6 a.m. and creep up midday, then into evening, and start all over 24/7 cycle. Interesting. I'm going to check that out. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to do an actual review of this here. Once I do the escape, I'm going to film the escape, and we'll check out exactly what this bad boy can do. Then I'm actually looking now. That might be too strong for a 20 long. That's okay. I got it backed up in case it turns out to be too powerful for a 20 long. We'll see what happens. Why not? Good, I caught it. Alright, folks. Later.